At Quantify, we are undertaking a small-scale prototyping and testing phase as we head into mass manufacture with Caswell. This helps to identify the steps required to assemble our products. In this video, we will introduce the final and very crucial third element of the qDimmer. This product is the qDimmer touch panel. The simple and stylish qDimmer touch panel is the physical interface between people and the home living experience. The touch panel is installed into the dimmer frame and can be upgraded by users without the need of an electrician. To highlight this product, we'll be reviewing the touch panel lifecycle. Like all of our products, it begins with a concept. This is then a collaboration process with the designers, electrical engineers and software engineers. Jenny, one of our engineers, will showcase the design of the PCB.
This is the actual chip, the brains of the PCB. So you can see in this case we've got all the pads underneath the chip and all tiny traces and tiny wires that go into it. It's a 4-layer PCB. We've got a top layer, 2 inner layers and a bottom layer. We have the light tiles in here as well. This is a custom module. The light tile shape was designed by John, so in this case I imported the 3Ds from John into here.
Once we have designed our PCB and mechanicals, we take a PCB and the light tiles. These are aligned and then soldered together. These units are then tested for the LED colour and connectivity. Dan, our User Experience Design Manager, will outline the theory behind our design choices.
We needed to design and test a variety of LED light tiles to achieve the desired light and color consistency. Our aim was to create an effortless and cohesive experience that enables the next level of emotional connectedness between people and architecture.
The next stage is to do the final physical assembly. This is connecting the PCBs to the glass, installing the haptic feedbacks and making sure the proximity and grommets are in the correct position. The firmware, which is designed by Oliver, is then installed.
The firmware for the qDimmer fascia coordinates the various sensors and feedback mechanisms. This includes controlling the capacitive touch zones, temperature and ambient light sensors, and a cutting-edge time-to-flight sensor which can sense a user approaching the Q device.
Once the firmware is installed, we then test the individual functionality of the touch areas. These units then undertake the proximity calibration process. The final step is to inject the manufacturing data and label the unit. The touch panels are made of tempered glass and come in a variety of colours and interface options such as pinstripe or predefined icon artwork. This video has outlined the life cycle of our touch panel hardware. We will next discuss the configuration and commissioning process as part of the installation of the qDimmer.